Hello, my name is Márcia Mallmann and I'm a crochet instructor from the south of Brazil. With this hobby that became a business, I have already been to TV shows in my country and I have taught my techniques to hundreds of people in my country and abroad. In this class, I'll show you how to make this gorgeous handbag. I call it essential because I believe it's essential we have a handbag like that in our closet. And I will show you every detail from the very beginning to the finishing of it. And I must assure you, you will love both the process and the result. And you must be asking me, Márcia, why should I learn crochet? Well, I could give you hundreds of reasons for that, but I will give you only 3. First of all, it helped me out a lot with anxiety during the pandemic. Yeah. Second, I made it a business and a very profitable one. And I must tell you, you can do the same. And third, I love the idea of producing bags just like the ones that have been used in the most famous fashion shows by the most famous fashion brands all over the world. So here's my invitation to you. Sign up for CuriousMondo.com and find out a whole world of new possibilities. See you in class, okay? Bye-bye.